So it's repairing a microwave oven. This is too bright. Way too bright. I wanted to show you how to do it. There you go. There you go. No. No. Come on. Okay. See the dotted line? That is where you have to cut the plastic. Very close to the edge. And over there. And see up here. Up here. You can see the circuits going to the side. You have to be careful not to cut them apart. You have to try to stay very close to the edge here and here, because there are circuits close by that you can cut. And then you can lift up the plastic to see how it works. And mine started working after doing this. I don't know why really. Okay, that's it. Nothing more.